Yeah, see, it's a miniature dishwasher. It's real. It's like the new wave. Just sit it right on the countertop and it go ahead and it washes them dishes. Like this is real right here. It takes about, I believe, an hour. I think that's what it takes. But yeah, look at the suds and everything up in there. It's real. It's definitely real. And I just use the regular Cascade Platinum. The you know, they come in the packs, like the little packs, and it goes right in there and it does the job. And they rinse well, they dry well, and all of that. Yeah, new wave.